Yeah. So in this demonstration, we'll be discussing about how to use Python regular expression to find proper and improper mobile numbers from a text file. So just imagine I have collected a set of details from my customers or students or whoever it is, and they have given me names, email IDs, and mobile numbers. So while collecting mobile numbers, okay, see, someone would have made some mistakes. Somebody would have made some mistakes. Okay, the numbers may not be exactly 10 digits. Some numbers will be 9, 8, or some numbers will be 11 digits. So we have collected the data. So it's a huge collection of repository. So out of which, how to find out, okay, which person has given proper mobile number? Which normally mobile numbers means it's 10 digits. Okay, so how many have given 10 digits? How many have given 9 digits? 8. So all those things we will do through our Python program. Fine. The first thing is, let me go to my let me create a new file, Python 3. So first I am just import RE regular expression. Fine. Then the next step is I am opening the file pointer for my file which contains the data. So my data is somewhere here. Look at this. I'll just show you the data. See, names.txt file contains, see, this is the details: name, email ID, city, and mobile number. Okay, so while collecting, we would have made some mistakes. So that is what we are going to find out. So what I'll do, just say :python / names.txt / in read mode. Of course, read mode is not mandatory. Fine. So once the file is opened, I want to read the content one by one. First, let us check for data in FP. Print data. Okay. So every line of data will be displayed. Look at this. So we got all the informations, but of course it's a string. Rajtilak, email ID, Trichy, number. That will be a one string. Okay, one string. Right. Now what we are supposed to do? We are supposed to match against mobile number. So I cannot, if it's a single string, it's very difficult to match. So what I can do, I can just split into data.split. Okay, split. So when you say split, by default the string is split based on spaces. So I will just show you my every line. Look at this. See, look at this. Now every line is split based on spaces. So name becomes a separate element. Of course, when you split, it splits based on space, and a list is created. So for every row, every name of your customer, you will get a list. Okay, and the list items will be list of 0. For example, data of 0 will be your name, data of 1 will be email ID, data of 2 will be city, data of 3 will be mobile number. Right? So what I can do, I can just do this way. I'll just take mobile is equal to data of 3. So I see just now, sorry, I'll just call mobile. Fine, data of 3 is nothing but see, data of 0, data of 1, data of 2, data of 3. So data of 3 is mobile number. Now let me just print the mobile number alone. Look at this. So we got all mobile numbers. Look at this. We got all mobile numbers. Right? Now what I want to do, I want to create a pattern. So my pattern should be, my pattern should be 0 to 9 digits. Okay, 0 to 9 digits. And we are using flower bracket. This denotes exactly, see, the previous digit or previous combination of digit should occur how many times exactly. I want 10 times. See, mobile number should be 10 times. See, mobile digits, if you take a mobile number now, digits maximum number of appearance will be 10 digits. So this is my pattern. So 0 to 9 can have, because mobile number will be having various digits, 0 to 9, and how many times? Exactly 10 times. That's what I want. Exactly 10 times. Right? Now what I'll do, I'll just delete this. Then I can get into my regular expression search pattern. So res will be re dot search. Okay, then rf within single quotation I'll put interpolation. So what is interpolation? Pattern, so that I can change. The purpose of putting pattern here, I can change my pattern on top. See, I can fix here directly here also. Without interpolation, I can do. But the problem is, you need to go and change inside your re.search. Better you keep it as a variable and use string interpolation. Fine. Then comma mobile. Fine. So because we are checking against mobile field only. So data of 3 is nothing but the third field of the list. Data of 0, 0, 1, 2, 3. Data of 3 is a mobile number. So that mobile number is taken to a variable called mobile, and we are matching this pattern against that variable. That's it. Okay. Then if pattern is found, then we just print. Okay. So we'll just say data of 0, comma, data of 0 means name. Okay. As proper mobile number. Okay. Mobile number. So it means Raj Tilak, for example, it will say has proper mobile number. Else, okay, I'll just say, okay, data of 0 has, see, no proper mobile number. Not proper mobile number. And we can just say length of that also. Length will be length of mobile. So that we'll know, see how many digits are missing. Okay, how many digits are missing. Fine. So let us see that. See, Raj select not proper mobile number because 9 digits. So let us see, cross check it. Look at this. Raj Tilak 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Only 9 digits. Okay. And Tilak Verma has proper mobile number. No problem. Then Hari not proper mobile number. Hari, if you look at look at this. Yeah, again 9. Okay. Then if you do Arun Kumar Arun Kumar has proper mobile number. So you can see Arun Kumar will just check it. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay. 10 digits. He has got proper mobile number. Okay. Then Kumar Sundar. Okay, has proper mobile number. I think others are 2, 4, 6. Yeah, proper mobile number. Right? So you can just see. Okay. So let us see that. Yeah. So you can just see. This has given me. We'll just see. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 11. Oh, of course, there is a problem here. Okay, we'll just see how to solve it. Okay, of course, this fellow has got 11 digits. 11 digits. See, valid. The person called valid. It's a mock data. It doesn't matter. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. But it says valid has proper mobile number. So I think we have issue here. So how to solve it, we'll see. So I just go here. Okay, I should do something like this. Okay. Yeah, it should start with, I'll just start with 10 digits. Okay, and end with 10 digits. Let me try this. Okay, fine. And just go here. I try it out. Okay, end with 10 digits. Fine. Let us see that now. Yes, we got it. Okay. So, yeah, thing is, see, of course, what we should say, see, the every mobile pattern should be, it should start exactly with 10 digits. Okay, so that's called start with. Okay, of course, this is not required actually. This I'll remove it. Yeah, look at this. See, Raj Tilak, not proper number. So Tilak Verma, not proper. Oh, okay, not proper mobile number. So we'll just check it. Tilak Verma, not proper mobile number. 10 digits. Okay, it should end with. So you see, it should start with 10 digits and end with 10 digits. Okay. So I think I'll just try this. 1 minute. No, not this actually. I just made a mistake. Let us see that. It should start with 10 mobile numbers and okay, and also end with the 10 mobile digits. Okay, that means we'll just see. Okay, I'll just run it again. I'll check it. 9 digits perfect, not proper. 10 is also coming as not proper mobile number. So what we'll do, we have to eliminate something like here. Okay, so exactly 10. So I'll just see that as proper mobile number, and valid as proper mobile number it says, but it is invalid actually. Let me try it out. So valid, yeah, it's invalid only, but it says valid. Valid as proper mobile number it says, because it says 10, it's not taking 10 exactly. Okay, so what we'll do, yeah, we have to find out a way. We'll just find out. Actually 10 means, it's minimum 10 it takes. Okay, so what we'll do, we will take 9 plus 1. Yeah, that way we'll do. Then also it will take that way only. Yeah, I'll do this way. One, two, three, 4, 5, 6. Okay. 8, 10. Okay, 10. Okay, and that should be ending. I think this will also work actually. Yeah, so I just try this. Okay, I'll just try this. Pat is equal to start with 0 to 9, 0 to 9 and 10 and end with. I'll just check with this. I think this will work. We'll just, okay, start with and end with. I think that will do. I think. Let us see that. Yes, we got it. We don't need this actually. We don't need this. Yeah, you see, pattern should be start with 0 to 9, okay, 10, and end with, I think I repeated, I made a mistake. Actually, of course, it doesn't matter if we make a mistake, but we have to find a solution. That's very important. Okay, see, it starts with 0 to 9, 10 digits, and ends with that also. Now you can see here, I'll just run and show you. Yeah, Raj Tilak only number, not proper. Tilak Verma proper. Hari, not proper, 9. Okay, Arun Kumar, everything is okay. As proper mobile number. Okay, Vijay Kumar. Let's go to valid. Valid, not proper mobile number. We got 11 digits. 11 digits. Okay, 1, 2, 3 has got proper. I think others are proper mobile number. Okay, Ramesh has got proper mobile number. Everything is proper mobile. Yes, perfect. Mahesh, no proper mobile number. Right. So the idea is you should have a pattern which says start with, okay, and end with also. So that you know exactly 10. That's what it says. Start with 10 digits and end with also 10 digits, so that it will have perfect match. Okay, fine. So hope this is how you got idea about how to match patterns. So this is how you have to do. So let us do something different in a next demonstration. Thank you.